A cold wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet where private keys are stored strictly in an offline environment. In addition, digital transactions are also authorized offline as well. Cold wallets are considered to be more secure than hot wallets and are typically used for long-term storage of private keys. Cold wallets are also known as cold storage. Explanation: cryptocurrency wallets do not actually store coins, instead, they store the private keys, which allows users to access their coins which are stored on the blockchain. Cold wallets keep the keys offline and may come in the form of hardware wallets, encrypted physical devices whose primary purpose is to store private keys offline. Paper wallets. Paper wallets are printed documents with both public and private keys written/typed on them. Although cold wallets are highly secure, they are not convenient for active traders who regularly need immediate access to funds for buying, selling, and other trading activities.